Hi everyone, congratulations because of course it takes courage to join a competition and diba, represent wave the ano, diba, LGBTQIA++ flag. So ito anyone can answer. Kahit mga siguro 5 to 7 lang yung sumagot. Sino yung LGBT icon na nilulook up ninyo and bakit? Salam ba yung mic?
LGBT icon na nilulook up is Maxine. Kasi hindi lang siya...
Sino Maxine? Maxine.
Maxine po, sorry. I'm sorry. Kasi apaka-talented, ang galing mag-represent sa LGBT community. Yan lang.
Hello, good evening po. My answer is, as of now, I'm amazed for Miss or Mr. Yuki Ito. Aside from admitting that he is an HIV positive, it's an awareness for everyone, not only for the LGBT community, but also to the straight people, to the whole community, for us to be able to be educated and spread awareness. And one thing, he shows that no matter you have hair on your head or you are bald, it doesn't matter as long as you have as long as you respect yourself as an individual, you can join pageant or modeling or any competition. As long as you believe in yourself. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone. What I'm looking for is that Alex Consani. Yes, you heard it right. Alex Consani. She is an international model. I look up for her because she's not just embodying herself. She is an trans woman in the LGBTQIA+ in the modeling international. Yes, she is the queen herself. And to her, that we cannot just model in the society, but for model in our world. She says, the world is your runway. So that, thank you.
So mine is Paulo Ballesteros. Why? We all know how he handles makeup and does magic and does wonders on his face. And now he's currently hosting the Drag Race Philippines here in Asia. So me as a plus size and as a member of LGBTQIA++, so I have a my confidence was boost because of his techniques in doing makeups that really helps us in doing runway fashion show, as well as to break the norms that not only women wears makeup but also the guys and all the members under the umbrella of LGBTQIA+.
Hi guys, the person that I look up to is Lady Gaga because her height, she can able to sing and walk on the runway gracefully, Victoria's Secret. So I do admire her expression on music because she can express the hidden emotions of LGBT community. I believe Lady Gaga is one of the fashion inspiration as well, and despite of conflict on health, she's still brave and being a good ally for LGBT community.